your imagination. It's like Samuel Johnson said to Lord Chesterfield, if the women don't find you handsome, they should at least find you handy.
I got this. All right, let's get to work. Alrighty, here's my daily. She's a hoopty, but I do love this car. It is so much fun to drive around with the top down, just kind of singing and dancing and acting like an idiot. It's a good time. But we got to get a little creative with some things because she's fallen victim to our addiction to sodium here in the northern states. So let's see if we can put a little polish on this old hoopty. See if we can make it look a little better. Maybe not. Who knows? But let's try. All right. Wheel arches, as James May would say. She's getting a little ugly. Let's see if we can spruce her up a little bit. It's not the tape that I wanted to use. This is actually, you know, like better, but it's what I found. Yeah, see, this stuff's a real pain in the ass. So what I'm thinking is if we follow this trim line and come back, we'll be able to hide a lot of it. So start right about here, huh? This line here. Alright, so now we got our basic arch here. We're going to have to cut a bunch of reliefs. Alright, she's getting crunchy. Oh, a little bit of the body came with us there. Oh boy, look at that. Oh, it's a little crunchy. Look at that. All right. Now, have to figure out how to wrap it under some. But really just complete the look here. They say 30 footer, but I think from 30 feet they're going to be like, dang, is that a wide body? Dang, did AMG work with Saab? No, it looks like trash, but it looks better than Big Rust Hole, doesn't it? Now the rub is I really only have enough tape to do one side of the car, but you only see one side at a time anyway, right? Oh, goodness. Alright, for the real coupe de grass in your ass, Sharpie. I'm gonna go ahead and take care of all these little edges where you can see glue. Make it just a little less noticeable. Of course, that'll blend in. Yeah, bro. I mean, is it the most white trash thing I've ever seen? No. It's not a Chrysler product. I drove Chrysler products for 13 years happily. Anyway. It looks better than a Big Rust Hole, right? A little stripe down here. And I could make the front match. But then you're getting into the territory of why you're going to make a perfectly decent thing look shitty. I don't know what to do with this from here. Hoopty flares. Yep. Looking good. See you on the next one.
Anyway, if my wife is watching, I'll be coming straight home after the meeting, and I'm feeling kind of wide awake, so why don't we hit the sack early? So, until next time, on behalf of Harold and myself and the whole gang up here at Possum Lodge, keep your stick on the ice.
You know, so I was like going like this with my hands, and I kept on scooping little kids out of the water. It's difficult, you know, to move the boat through the water like with your hands open like that.
No, but you'll be packing mud on the carpet.
Anyway, anyway.